And I would expect the loudest applause coming from every one of you, okay? So I hope everyone ready for this part. I hope Brian and Groom ready also. 1, 2, and 3! Maraming salamat. It's like showing our love and support to Calvin and Charian, who looks very gorgeous today. How do you feel? Anong nararamdaman natin, Charian? Having all these beautiful people around you today. Anong nararamdaman natin? Very happy. How about you, Calvin?
Very happy, very
Yeah, you're hungry too. A bit. Okay, you'll have that later on. Okay. Before, we still have two more traditional ceremonies before we finally wrap things up. For this part of our traditional ceremonies, at this point, I'd like to invite all the single ladies in the house. All the single ladies, okay. You are single, I know, tayo. You should be 18 years old pataas. Tayo. You're 18 pataas, I'm sure. How about you? Single, tayo. Let's go. And you are single, I know. She's married. I'm sorry. How about our female principal sponsors? Meron mo ba dito? Meron? Okay, someone's pointing at this beautiful lady. Could you join us? Are you single? Do you have female friends around? Charian and Calvin? Ayun. Dito, meron ba dito? We have single friends here. Are you single? Are you single? No, you're married. Okay, dito naman, do we have single friends here? You're single? Sometimes. Okay, dito tayo. Let's go. Ano? Ayan. So I think that would be it. How about here? Meron ba? Yes. Tayo. The game wouldn't be complete without you. So let's go. Single ladies. Okay. Dito tayo. Let's go, girls. Actually, we are having a different approach on this one. Instead of tossing the bouquet, we won't be doing that anymore because the bouquet weighs around 30 kilos, so when it hits your head, you'll go back out, I'm sure. Okay, so you have to listen carefully to the mechanics in order for you to play the game. Now, anyway, according to our tradition, whoever would have the bouquet will be the one. And Cherry, pupunta ka ngayon sa gitna. You have to stay in the middle as I'm about to give you the next mechanics for the game. So, listen very closely. Cherry, I'll be counting 1 to 3. Okay? Now, pag nag-count 3, you have to pass that bouquet on whoever lady you want. Now, we will be playing the fast beat music. Once the music starts, all you have to do is pass it around and around. Once the music stops, whoever could have the bouquet will be declared as the winner. Ayan. So, I hope that's loud and clear. Let's have the DJ roll it. Ayan. Who among these ladies will be our winner and would proceed to the garnering later on? Mabilisan talaga, mabilisan. Okay! We have a winner. All the while I thought she was married, but okay, she's single. Let's go. Dito tayo. Ayan. So you have to stay here. Could I borrow a chair for a while? I'd like to borrow a chair. Excuse me? Ayan. Cherry, you have to sit down here. We have to look for a partner. What's your name? Pretty beautiful lady? Christina, you passed your name. Okay, now we have to take off the garter in order for us to find a partner for Christina. Okay, I want you to stay with me here for a while because sabi ko nga we have to take off the garter, we have to stay here, and we have to face our beautiful bride who's sitting there. Now, Calvin, you have to we have to remove the garter. Now, listen closely what you have to do. We have to play a sexy, sensual music. Now, Calvin, all you have to do is dance in your most sexy way from there to there. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand to Calvin. Not the pants, not the pants. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa. Okay, so that was the traditional folk dance. No, I'm just kidding. You did your best. You did your best. That's very good. Okay, so you have to remove the burden now from her leg. There you go. Now, Christina, could you join me here for a while? Christina, age. But I guess I have to do that in order for us to play the game. How young is Miss Christina? 28. Okay, you're 28. So, okay, matanong ko lang from the audience. Sino ang mga gentlemen dito? Walang asawa, 28 years old, pataas. Okay, everybody's pointing at you. Let's go. We have the automatic winner. Let's go. Yeah, it's okay. Let's go. Cheers. Yeah, cheer tayo. Ayan. So I guess we have to pass it. You have to pass that to this gentleman. And what is your name? Peter John, do you know each other? Friends? Oh, okay. Do you believe in destiny? Who knows? This might be your lucky day. Ayan. Tayo naman tayo, Cherry. You have to sit down now. Christina. Ayan, dito tayo. Peter. Ayan, Peter. Ayan. Now, Peter, we have to do the gartering considered to be one of the oldest surviving wedding rituals. Kailangan mo nang isuot yung garter na yan sa leg ni Christina. And I won't be needing your participation in this one, ladies and gentlemen. Isisigaw lang natin ang higher kung gusto nyo pang itaas ni Peter ang pagsusuot ng garter sa leg ni Christina. You have to kneel down. Be sure to do it gently and slowly. Okay. Peter, ready? And go! Higher pa ba? Isang malakas na higher! Hanggang mag-fit, hanggang sa leeg. I'm just kidding. Are you satisfied with this one? No! Isang malakas na higher! Higher daw, sige lang. I think that would be enough. Are you okay? Hi. This little kid wants to say something. Ano yun? Nanahimik. Anyway, that would be enough. Okay na yun. But Christina, tayo muna tayo. Wala mo nang aalis, Peter, because picture taking ang gagawin natin. Listen. Peter and Calvin, at my cue and at the count of 3, sabay-sabay ninyo halikan ng inyong mga partners. Okay ba sa inyo yan? Okay, ready? Peter and Calvin. 1, 2, and 3. Palakpakan naman natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Peter. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Christina. Ala, ang lamig ni Christina. Ang lamig. Ayan. Thank you so much for for being so... Let's go now. You have to stay here. Because I always keep my promise, ladies and gentlemen. I always keep my promise because after the traditional ceremonies, it's gonna be the most awaited part. Actually, we consider this as a treat coming from our newlywed couple, Cherry and Calvin. And I believe our friends here in the Green Mansion of the Cozy Place Resort are now ready to serve us with the sumptuous meals. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, this goes out to all of our guests except for the VIP tables. For an orderly flow of our buffet table, we have assigned table numbers right in front of you. Once you hear your table numbers, all you have to do is join us here in front, have your pictures taken with Cherry and Calvin. After the pictures, you can proceed right away to our buffet table.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're one of our flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh, wow. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so fine. Ooh, wow. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh, mine. Mine, oh, mine. Treasure, that is what you are. You're my golden star. You know you can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure you. Oh, oh. Pretty girl, you should be smiling. A girl like you should never look so blue. You're everything I see in my dreams. I wouldn't say that to you if it wasn't true. Ooh, wow. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so fine. Ooh, wow. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh, mine. Mine, oh, mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You know you can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure you. Oh, oh. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You're my golden star. You are my treasure. You can make my treasure come true. You are my treasure. If you let me treasure you. You are my treasure. If you let me treasure you. Oh, oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have to open up our second part of our celebration, and we have to open it up with a surprise visit to your table, and I'll be asking like a simple message for the couple. Sige, I'll be starting with the entourage, and the lady who won a while ago, I think she's the best friend of the bride, right? Christina's one of your friends? Right. Okay. So, Christina, ano yung gusto mong sabihin since they reached this far, they got married, yung best friend mo, meron ng asawa, and you are still single. You know that. Okay, Christina, you want to say something to Cherry and Kelvin?
Cherry and Kelvin, welcome sa bagong buhay nyo. Stay happy. Sana maging masaya yung pagsasama nyo. I love you both.
Okay, palapakan naman natin si Christina, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to visit naman. She came all the way from England. How's the to die? Okay, let's hear it from Calvin's mom. Siyempre, palakpakan natin, the beautiful mother.
First of all, I wish to thank all my friends and relatives who made time, this very precious time to spend with us, the wedding of my son. Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng panahon niyo para sa dalawang anak kong ito. My special message for you children, kasi may anak ko na kayo. This is the start of another life. Ito ang umpisa ng isang book sa inyong buhay. So, ibig sabihin, when you start writing your story of your life, kailangan meron kang preface, meron kang introduction, kailangan pagbubutihin mo yan. Para in the end, yung body ng book mo ay magiging saleable, lahat ng details na kailangan maganda para sold out yung book mo. Ganyan lang naman ang buhay. May ups and downs, but we will pray hard. At tayo magdasal, kayo din, ang Diyos ang kapit natin, at ang mangyari man kahit anong whatever ups and downs that comes to your life, you should be together and hold on tight with each other. Yan ang buhay. Salamat.
Thank you. Palakpakan naman natin. So you get to author your lives. Okay. Now let's hear it from the beautiful mother naman of Cherry, who would, I think, like to welcome Kelvin into the family. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin the beautiful mother of Cherry.
Sabi ko lang po, salamat po sa panahon ngayon. Talagang mga friends namin. Ninang nila, mga ninong. Nakaka ng hari natin. Mayroon pong akong mensahe sa kanila. Sana po mga anak, maging matatag ang pagsasamahan ninyong dalawa. Ito naman yung salo sa buhay, buong pusong tatanggapin natin. Habang tayo ay nasa habang tayo mag-umpisa pa lang, sana maunawaan nyo lahat ng mga masusunod. Yun yung mga problema natin. Sama-sama tayo lahat. Yun lang po. Salamat mga anak ko.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Okay, so who would like to volunteer from the principal sponsors? Just want to extend your message in behalf of all of you. Isa na. One only. Okay, I think si ma'am, everybody's looking at her. Ma'am, ano po ang name po nila? Okay, ma'am, so relative, your tita, she's one of your aunties. So, both sides, wow. I think so. Okay, ma'am Lorna, you want to say something to Kelvin and Cherry?
Wish ko na lang, maging happy na lang ako sa amin. Saka yung kanta na namin. Maraming views.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Lorna. Could I ask a spiritual advice also from the gentleman? Sino kaya? Okay, sir, would it be okay if I ask you spiritual advice? Now, what is your name, sir?
Eduardo Mabalo, sir.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Mr. Eduardo Mabalo.
Spiritual, sir. Ang pag-asawa, Kelvin at Cherry, hindi basta-basta. Kailangan understanding sa bawat isa sa inyo kasi mahirap na yung halimbawa kailan magbigayan niya. Kung mainit yung isa, kalmado lang yung kabila. Kasi pagsabay kayo na mainitin, ay walang kahantungan po yan. Ay matagal ang away ng mag-asawa pag mainitin ng kayong dalawa. Kaya ang pinakamaganda, yun na lang. Understanding, tapos yung isa pang mahalaga po ay yung magplano po yan sa pamilya. Pwede yung dalawa, siguro tatlo, okay na yun. Pero depende sa inyo kasi maganda naman yung marami. Kaya lang ang ano nila ng mga mapo ngayon, baka hindi mo kayang pag-aralin o kaya mapakain. Pero hanggang maaari po, yun na. Ang gobyerno ngayon, hinahandlangan na yung maraming anak para sa kinabukasan ng iyong magiging anak ay halimbawa sa pag-aaral ay papag-aaral mo silang lahat. Kaya 2 or 3 establish mo. Salamat.
Okay, palagpakan naman natin si Mr. Eduardo Mabalo. During the reception or during the guests while going in, I met this beautiful lady who's actually all the way from Canada, and she is considered as the second mom, biological mother, the mom. You have 2 moms. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, this beautiful lady over here. And what is your name po?
Malu.
Miss Malu. Okay, tayo po tayo for everyone to see how beautiful you are. Fresh from Canada, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear the message.
I hope Cherry will come as soon as possible so Kelvin will start really a new family in Canada. And I wish them more blessings, greetings maybe, and what else? Good health. That's it.
Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, si Ma'am Malu. Ano ang gusto natin sabihin kay Kuya Kelvin and Ate Cherry? Ayun, naiiyak na siya. I was just pointing the microphone at him, but nauuna yung iyak. So, it's like saying how he loves the both of you. Ayan. Kelvin, Kelvin, Jane, are you okay? Ayan. May gusto ba kayong sabihin, the both of you? May gusto kayong sabihin? Ayan, nagtuturuan sila. Naiiyak, may stage fright. Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay, now and relatives of Calvin, we have fans here. Again, if you want to see it now. Thank you. Okay, would like to request the relatives, yung mga kamag-anak ni Cherry, kamag-anak ni Kelvin, yung mga gustong magsabi po. Okay, we have a lot of pins here. Kailangan ubusin natin to. Okay po. Pwede tayong pumunta ngayon dito.
I'm very thankful for all my good friends, co-workers, and it's been a great day, fruitful day, and thank you so much. Nina, relatives, auntie, uncle, Ethan, mga friends. Yo, thank you so much.
Salamat po sa lahat ng mga punta dito, mga tumulong sa amin, relatives, friends. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin sila once again. Thank you so much, Fancy Place Resort, for the food, physical setup, and accommodation. Jeff O'Neill, additional photography from LinkedIn, for assisting us for the photos and videos, and for the SDE. Thank you, the wedding team makeup. Trixie, thank you so much. And to all of our friends who have gathered here and for just to be here, share your very precious time with our couple. Maraming salamat for coming and have a great afternoon. Thank you.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. But when it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still.
So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home.
Loving can heal, yeah, loving can mend your soul. and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every